Go.
Hello there, Alan Cousin from Get Up Radio and Get Up Radio Media, here to do step 4 for our delicious brisket, part of the Texas Bricken. Now, of course, we've already let this brisket out for about an hour at room temperature. We are basically having the oven 10 minutes preheat at 380, perfect cycle. And of course, this will cook for about 6 hours because it's 10 pounds of brisket. Check it on 5.5, but basically it's going to probably take about 6 hours properly to make sure that everything's delicious. As you can see, everything's already on there, special seasoning and so forth. So now what we need to do is take our parchment paper and make sure that we get a nice firm coating. Because you know, it's all about the flavor, right? And being from New Orleans, I know you understand how Mom and my grandmother Rita would be. Hurricane Rita, how you doing? I know you're up there in heaven. She'd be very upset right now if I don't make a good bricken, because she'd be like, come on now, you're from New Orleans, how dare you? So I gotta make sure to make Grandma Hurricane Rita proud of me. So, all right, as you can see now, it is nice and tight, like gift wrapping, to make sure that it basically is secure. And now we're gonna put it in the oven for about 6 hours. Check it at 5.5, but 6 hours most likely. And this is step 4 of our delicious Texas Bricken.
Go.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's Alan Cousin from Get Up Radio, Get Up Radio Media. Finally, the brisket has been prepared. So of course now we're going to show you how this beautiful brisket looks. And of course this is step 5, because of course now we have to wait for the chicken to fix. And then basically once the chicken is finished, then of course we'll show you how to mix the chicken and the brisket together to make the fabulous Texas Bricken. So let's see exactly what we have here. Clearly a masterpiece waiting to be seen. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Delicious, beautiful brisket. And just so you can see just a little bit of how it looks. Oh, so tender. Simply just slices through. So there you are, ladies and gentlemen. That is your fabulous brisket made. Now, of course, our next chapter will be where we show the chicken, and then of course we'll go into the mixing of the brisket and the chicken to make a fabulous Texas Bricken.